Hello students, good morning. My name is Anpurna Yadav. Today I will teach you for class 4 chapter 1st History of Computer. What is the history of computer? In 19th century, English mathematics professor named Charles Babbage. He designed the analytic engine. Computer can classified into three generations. First generation start in 1937 to 1946. Second generation start in 1947 to 1962. And third generation started in 1963 to present era. In your book, early calculating machine. The development of calculating was a very gradual process. In human history, three major tools that helped early man count seem to be stick and bone, used for making nose, stone and other small object, and finger and toe. It makes sense that this tool would be the first used, as they are readily available in essential. Second, abacus. Abacus was the first calculating machine invented in China to count the large number. Abacus is made up of wooden frame. It is a counting device that consists of a frame hold rod on which a specific number of bead and free to move. Simple calculation like addition or subtraction were performed using the abacus. Why was the abacus used? Why we use the abacus? In abacus was the most advanced device for crunching number. As we know, before the abacus, the only method people had to use for the mathematical calculation were their fingers and toe are stone in the dirt. Napier's bone. Napier's bone is a manually operated calculating device created by John Napier in 1616. This device is set of a rectangular rod marked with number. Using this rod, one can or addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of number. In Napier's bone computers, manually calculating device in use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Pascal line. What is Pascal line? Blaise Pascal was the French mathematician and philosopher. He invented the first mechanical calculator in 1641. It was called the arithmetic or Pascal line. It had a box with 9 movable wheels. These wheels called dial. Babbage engine. What is Babbage engine? Charles Babbage was the British mathematician and an original and innovative thinker and a pioneer of computing. He designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822. He called a difference engine. Later, the thought of the mechanical construction, which was known as the mechanical digital computer, he called an analytic engine. Charles Babbage first started design the analytic engine. First digital electronic computer, ABC. Entasoft Berry computer, ABC full form Entasoft Berry computer, was the automatic electronic digital computer. It had vacuum tube instead of mechanical switch. It was the binary number system like a modern computer. ABC looked nothing like today's computer. It was the size of a big desk. ABC computer is look like a desk. Weight is 750 pound. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical and Computer. It was the first general computer. It was built in US. It was not a store program computer. It was somewhat similar to earlier computer but was considerable large and more flexible. And second, UNIVAC. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It was first commercial computer. UNIVAC is an electrical computer containing thousands of vacuum tubes that utilize punch card and switch for inputting data and punch card for outputting and storing. In your book glossary, Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator in 1641. Charles Babbage designed an automatic calculating machine in 1882. The Z3 was an electromechanical computer designed by Conrad Gauss. The abacus was the most advanced device for crunching number. Napier's bone is a set of rectangular rod marked with number.